Okay, I'm going to attempt to show you how I make my own homemade hand sanitizer. So I'm actually not sure how it's done, but we did a small experiment last week. So this is one with a lot of aloe vera. So it looks quite sticky, and it is, but after the alcohol dries up, it's actually it feels good. But I heard that aloe vera reduces the effectiveness of the alcohol, and so we did another try with just alcohol, distilled water, and tea tree oil, and we realized that this is probably the best. So that's what we are going to do. So I bought aloe vera gel. So if you want to add aloe vera gel to your hand sanitizer, you can. It just has to be not too much, right? And then what you need is actually this rubbing alcohol or isopropyl alcohol, at least 60%. Mine is 70. I happen to have this because I use this to clean my bikes. And I got tea tree oil from Body Shop, distilled water from my colleague Ning, and I went to Watson's and bought this spray bottle, and it comes with a funnel. Right, so what we're gonna do is take this out, put that aside. Okay. Right, so that's how the bottle looks like. The opening is quite big. So what we're gonna do is put the funnel in. What I'm gonna do is this is a 50 ml bottle. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put about 40 ml of alcohol, followed by 10 ml of distilled water, and about 3 drops of tea tree oil. Tea tree oil gives it a little bit of fragrance, and also it has antibacterial properties. So we start with the alcohol first, about 40 ml. Right, then we go with the distilled water, fill up to 50. Okay, the purpose of distilled water is actually to dilute the alcohol so that it doesn't dry up too fast, and so it covers the larger surface area of your hands. Right, so now the last part, which is to add tea tree oil. It's quite strong, so I'm going to just add 3 drops first. Oops, that's 4. Then we're going to cover it up, and that's your homemade sanitizer.